Today I am back with a BT21 baby haul. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. Okay, so the first thing I got I'm so excited about, it is this RJ mouse pad. So even though Jimin is my bias and I love Chimmy as well, so cute. It's a little alpaca and also like a little cloud. And here's the back too. It says kind alpaca RJ. That's so sweet. Then the next thing I got is one more RJ thing. It's so cute. It's this little RJ popcorn washi tape. Just RJ eating some popcorn, and it has little red stripes as well. So I think that's super fun, and I think it was like $3.95, so not too bad. Okay, so now we'll move on to the Chimmy stuff. I got two BT21 baby Chimmy things. I'm so excited. I love the baby line. I feel like their faces are just so cute. Okay, so the first things are these BT21 socks. Look at baby Chimmy. Love how sweet this like buttercup yellow is, and it has like pastel pink and blue polka dots. You guys, they're so soft. They're so soft and they're so cozy. And the last thing, I'm super excited. I really wanted this because it's something you can use all the time, and it is the baby Chimmy Smart Talk. It's so cute. So this is basically like a pop socket you can put on the back of your phone. I love baby Chimmy. It's so cute. Okay, so now that I want to use this Smart Talk, I can't really use the photo card anymore because it'll totally be covered by it. Cute. Oh my god, look at baby Chimmy. Adorable. I also have this magic shop here. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing, I'll link it below. So I also have my Jin photo card. So I feel like I can't really use any of the photo cards, even though the color palette would be so perfect. Yeah, because I want this in the middle. Shoot. Hard to see with all the furry. So maybe, I think blue would be pretty. Maybe I'll do magic shop right there. So I think I should do this little thank you here. It'd be cute. So I think that looks super cute. I can't wait to put it on my phone. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it. So when you hold it, looks like that. It's so cute. Look at baby Chimmy. You can still see all the other stickers. Oh my gosh, you guys, these are so cute. They're so soft and they're so comfy. So I hope you guys enjoyed my new haul and updating my iPhone case. I love it, and I love that you can spin him too. So cute. Definitely check out the BT21 stuff. It's all available online. And remember, it doesn't matter how old you are or what your friends like. You can always love K-pop and BTS. So see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.